And I think just around a mile away, continuing on further west on our Copper Coast vlog, we reached this very spectacular and unusual shape cove. It's Kilmurrin Cove, and it's not, they say it's not recommended for swimming, but people do. There's a lot of strong currents here, and it's meant to be a secret spot for surfers, I believe. So that's some of the information I found out about this place. So now I guess it's time for me to show you what it's like. Yeah, as you can see, the horseshoe shape of the cove itself is very unusual, and tide is going out at the moment. But it's worth a visit anyway. It's fairly peaceful and quiet, and I doubt that you'd get a huge crowd here unless there's a reason for a load of people to come down here anyway. Because every time I've driven past, there's only been a handful of people here like there are now. And so I'd better set foot on Kilmurrin Cove, the beach here. I've never actually done it before. I've just driven past so many times whilst I've been on photography jaunts along the Copper Coast and that. So, which is it is lovely, especially on a day like this. The sun is shining. Well, it's about to go behind some clouds there. Just have to love the sound of those waves lapping on the shore. So peaceful. It's gotten a little bit nippier now because the wind has picked up, and the sun is hiding behind a few clouds and that, so you can feel the chills a bit more. But persevere, I do, for your benefit, of course. And we're now at Tankardstown copper mine, and this is the reason why this place is called the Copper Coast, and it's named after this location. This is it there, the old copper mine. There's a lot of history behind it, so I will endeavour to put some in the captions. There's some new signage there, and this wasn't here a year ago, so I guess they must have put it up fairly recently. So we're now entering the grounds of the famous copper mines, which this region has been named after. It's Tankardstown. Here it is. I did a photo shoot here about 3 years ago with Miss Shelley. So if you're ever here, just park your car at the side of the road, have a wander around. It won't take too long, but you can read about it. There's a plaque, just what looks like a little bit of an amphitheatre, which is right in front of us. So you can have a seat there if you want, and there's a plaque there. You can read all the information about the copper mine. And I must say, it simply looks amazing this evening with the blue skies and the blue seas as its backdrop.